This is where we got the car stuck trying to drive in yesterday on our way back from the airport. Mel, go on in, you're soaked. You can't dig your way down the entire mountain. If the road is as deep as this, what hope is there? Good grief. He's being infantile. No, enough. No. I'm not going to take your picture anymore. Oh, God.
Snow angel. Not bad.
Just walk towards me. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. Just put one foot ahead of the other. We've only got another... Well, you should be used to this. You come from Toronto, where you have this all the time.
No. Oh, there it goes.
Sounds like the roof is coming apart, doesn't it?
Just there at that point. If that piece of wood comes down, the whole thing's just going.
Yeah.
Let's do it. This sucks. Uh-oh. It's coming apart.